The next topic is the role of small business in India. What role is played by the small scale industries or small business in India? We have witnessed that small scale industries, they have played a significant role in socio-economic development of our country. It made our country, help in dealing with the problems like unemployment, capital scarcity, and the abundance of natural and human resources. So such problems our country was able to deal with such problems, right, with the help of the small business set up in our country. So we will further discuss various points which would be highlighting the importance of small scale industries in our country. The first one is employment generation. Small scale industries, they help in generating employment, right? As we discussed in our previous lecture as well, that such industries, small scale industries, they require more laborers, or they are labor intensive. You will see that these small scale industries, they are the second largest job providers or the employers in India after agriculture. Agriculture is the first one, and the second one is the small scale industries in terms of providing employment to the people or the human resource. They are labor intensive, they require less capital, they require less capital investment, and they provide more employment opportunities. They are such industries, they are easily to set up, fine, with the requirement of less capital, they can be easily established and they can provide employment to more number of people, fine. So they are considered as profitable. Second is the contribution, it contributes to industrialization. Small scale industries, they contribute to the industrialization. You will see that the facts, they say that small scale industries, they account for 95% of the industrial units in India. It contributes 40% to the industrial production. Whatever industrial production is there in India, 40% is contributed by the small scale industries. And small scale industries, they contribute 45% to the export from India, right? The third point, it says large variety of products. N number of products, numerous products, they are produced by small scale industries. So there is a variety of products which are produced by the small scale industries. They generally produce two major categories of products. One is the consumer goods and the second one is the sophisticated goods. Consumer goods, in consumer goods we have the ready-made garments, we have stationery, we have soaps, we have detergents. Whereas in sophisticated goods, we have television, we have air conditioning equipments, we have drugs and pharmaceuticals. So they are the part of the sophisticated products or the goods which are produced by small scale industries. Not small scale industries not only provide these two categories of goods, but they also provide the handlooms, they provide khadi products, as well as they provide handicrafts. Fourth point is balanced regional growth. Small scale industries can be set up in any part of country. They are dispersed everywhere because of the four factors, because they have simple production process, they have simple technology, they can utilize local workforce, they can use the skills of the local workforce, and they can use their skills to produce goods because they have very simple and easy to understand production process, plus there is a low cost of production. There is a low cost of production. So because of these factors, small scale industries, they can be set up anywhere, and such industries, small scale industries, they helps in reducing the regional disparity, means they are not concentrated, their establishment is not concentrated in any one part of the country. They can be set up anywhere or in any part of the country. So they are dispersed all over the country. Plus, such small scale industries, by setting up in all the regions or everywhere in the country, the region plus the country is benefited from industrial growth. So industrial growth is there in the country in all the region in a balanced way. So that's why such small scale industries, they provide balanced regional growth. Fifth point says development of entrepreneurship. Development of entrepreneurship. Small scale industries, they support entrepreneurship. Like sometimes people, they have ideas in their mind, but maybe they don't have the education with them, maybe they don't have resources with them to set up or to convert their ideas into business opportunities. Small scale industries, they help people who have ideas in their mind to set up their own production house. Fine, by assisting them, by providing them financial help, right, and technological equipments or technological help or assistance. Such small scale industries, they require less capital and less formalities, right? Less capital is required and less formalities are required. So anyone who is interested or who is willing to become an entrepreneur or to be a job provider, a person who didn't want to be a job seeker, but he wants to be a job provider. He has an idea in his mind, and with a less capital available, he can set up his own business unit and he can help in the economic development of any country. So small scale industries, they encourage people to showcase their hidden entrepreneurial skills, right, to produce goods or to set up their own business units. Sixth point is the low cost of production. SSIs, small scale industries, they have low cost of production. Why they have low cost of production? Because of the low establishment cost, plus they have low running cost, right? As we have discussed already, that they require, small scale industries, they require less capital investment. Seventh is equitable distribution of national income and wealth. SSI promotes entrepreneurship. SSI promotes entrepreneurship, or they promote people, they encourage people to showcase their hidden talents, hidden skills, entrepreneurial skills, so that they can establish their own business units and they can provide job to the people, right? So by showing the entrepreneurial skills, people, they set up small scale industries, and by doing this, they reduces the concentration of economic power in one hand. Earlier, the people who used to have money, they were the producers, but by the time when the government they helped in promoting these small scale industries, they help the people who don't have money but they have skills. They promote such people, they encourage such people to set up their own business units with less amount available to them, right? Less capital available to them. So they encourage them, and in that way they reduced the concentration of economic power in one hand. Anyone can earn money, anyone can become the entrepreneur. Second one is SSIs, they help in reducing the monopoly and increasing the competition, which is beneficial for the consumers, because when monopoly is there, then the producer can charge anything, right? But when perfect competition is there, then there is no change in the prices. Third one is they reduces income inequality. They provide SSIs help in providing employment, right? People, they get job, they start working, so it reduces the income inequality. Eighth point is the mobilization of local resources. So they channelize, small scale industries, they channelize, they mobilize local resources. Such industries, SSIs, they promote conservation of financial, physical and human resources, right? Because they require less capital to get to establish small scale industries. They provide employment to the human resources, and they help in providing the optimal utilization of the natural resources, and they also help in recycling the waste. Ninth point says SSI supports large industries. SSIs, they generally play a role of ancillary to the large industries, by providing them or the large industries the tools, equipments, spare parts and the semi-finished goods to further used for the production process or the production. Means these things, tools, equipment, spare parts, semi-finished goods are being provided to the large industries by the small scale industries for further processing. Means they provide them the semi-finished goods to the large industries so that final goods to be further provided to the customers. Fine. Thank you.